Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today we're going to show you how to snake a drain. So this is a kitchen sink drain. We are going to use the VEVOR drain dredger, or drain snake as I like to call it. It's a 25-foot drain snake. We'll hook up a drill to that end and then send this nice drain snake end down the pipes to unclog anything. So if you want to see an unboxing of this product, you can check it out here. It'll be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. You can watch an unboxing video to see how it was packed. Also, the first thing you need to do before you snake a drain is to take apart the trap. So we have another video on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. I'll put that in a card up here as well to see how to take that apart. Also, you're going to see how right now because I'm going to take it apart in order to snake the drain. So what I want to do also is turn off the water on the faucet. You don't really need to do that when you're working on things, but I like to, just as a precaution, so you don't accidentally stand up and just wash your hands and you have everything taken apart. But so we'll turn all those valves off. We got the different lines: ice maker, dishwasher, hot, cold, all of that. Get a towel underneath, make sure everything is good and clean. Put a bucket under there to catch any of the water, and then we will remove these pipes here. All right, that's that. Then what I like to do, because we're going to be putting the drain snake down here, is give this a twist so that we can see what we're doing. Just a little. You can always twist it. You don't have to, but sometimes it helps a lot to just send it down something that you can see what you're doing. So there we go. That's really for your benefit. Now we will send this down. First we pull a little bit out, put it in there. Look at that. Then you can hand crank it, and that's going to send it out slowly, or we can use the drill. So let me show you how to hook up the drill to this. There we go, and then away we go. All right, you can see here this is extending. So we are going down the drain quite a ways. I'll show you so you can see it moving through my fingers here.
While you're watching this video, hit that like button, bell icon, and subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel.
Very nice. Looks like we're feeding a lot down there, so that's good.
This is a 25-foot drain snake, so we are going to send as much of it down as we can before retracting it.
This drain is so easy you could really just push it down manually. Or of course you can manually crank it.
We'll keep feeding it in manually till we get it to a good solid point. Now we'll use the drill, kind of keep going back and forth, pushing this in here. And it looks like we're starting to meet some resistance. So it's either the clog or we have fed all of this in. You can see now it's starting to buckle back on us. So we'll get this straightened out and then start to retract this back and wind it up into the case. So here we go. We'll just get the drill going. Once we have it straight, get this all pushed back in so we get it straightened out. Now fire up the drill and we will pull this back into the spool and we'll see what happens. Hopefully that solves the clog. Hopefully you're enjoying this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below and we'll do what we can to help you out. In addition, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel. We also have membership options if you'd like to support the work we're doing here at How To Video Channel. Thank you.
There we are. So that is it. That is how to use the VEVOR pipe dredger to snake a drain. Hopefully that solved the problem and unclogged the sink. If you have a clogged sink and you want to check this out at home, you can purchase one of these. We'll put a link in the description below. Very inexpensive, definitely worth a try, and as you can see, very, very easy to use. So give it a shot if you got a clogged drain. Test it out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments below. Also, as always, hit that subscribe button, like button, and bell icon to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel. Thank you.